Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making some eucalyptus essential oil soap. Smells fantastic, and especially now that it's fall, getting ready to head into winter, this is always a good one to keep in stock. I've added my kale and clay, my colloidal oatmeal, added my lye, added my fragrance. What's nice, this essential oil does not accelerate or trace, so that's nice. And I'm going to split it out into two different colors. I'm going to do titanium dioxide, and then I'm going to do the activated charcoal and the pine mica. For those of you who follow me and watch me, I try and use activated charcoal in as many soaps as possible. And I just feel like the green and the black are really good representations of eucalyptus. So I'm going to go ahead and mix my colors in, do the pour, and then I'll bring you guys back for the cut. All right, and we've got the top kind of all done out. Tried to do a little bit of a fancy pattern on top. Let the soap sit for about 24 hours. Now I'm ready to cut. The swirls came out very, very nice. Very happy with how this one came out. And it smells great too. Just love these swirls. So anyway, I'm going to let you guys finish watching the cut. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.